Alright, what's up everybody? Back at it again with another video this week. And this week we have a review, a little bit of a tutorial of the bumper plug install in my 2021 Kia Seltos. Now as you can see, there's two apparent holes in the front bumper of my car, of my brand new car, and we're going to address that in the following clips. Enjoy. And of course, we have to start with a little bit of unboxing. As you can see, here is the package, and I just went straight to bumperplugs.com. Where they have a wide variety of colors, paint to match the different brands that are out there. Of course, always read the instructions first. And here you see the plugs. And as for my car, I have the Kia Clear White. Very nice. These are the plugs. And of course, here are the instructions. All right. So, the parts that we will need are these drill bits. And you can get them anywhere for $10-15 at a Lowe's or a Home Depot. And you'll need a 1/4 to a 9/32 inch drill bit. But yeah, here as you can see, to be able to install the bumper plugs, we need to make a bigger hole, it seems. Makes sense. Okay, so we have the 1/4 drill bit, and we're just gonna kind of eyeball it, but go straight. You want it to be a smooth action. There we go. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna go back in. There we go. Now the other one. Again, a smooth, straight action, in and out. Now you don't want to go too deep, because there, I don't know, depending on the model of the vehicle, there may be important parts behind the bumper. Brush that debris off. There we go. It should fit pretty snug, and in the instructions it will indicate to push straight in. You do not want to bend it at all, as the paint has been dried on there and it may crack if you don't put it in straight. If you don't put it in straight. And there you go. Looks good as new. And to cap it off, we're going to clean off a little bit. We got the Griot's spray on car wash. And overall, this product is fairly simple to implement, and the service was great. It was very smooth. It took about 2 days to get to me. One thing to note, each bumper plug does cost $30 approximately, not including shipping. and you know, overall it comes out to be like 35 bucks to get these shipped to you. But they do pre-paint it, so you don't have to prep these plugs. They come painted, color matched to the paint spec that you have according to your brand. And yeah, overall it's really simple to apply, and would recommend. All right, see you next time.